Hi everybody, Academic Writing in 3 minutes. This is about the differences between descriptive writing and critical writing, which can create problems for students in their assignments, especially if you've got feedback and it says it's too descriptive, you're not critical enough. How do you know the differences? Well, first of all, let me just say that you do need descriptive writing in your assignments, because descriptive writing is where you give the background information, the details, you set the context, the people involved, the issues that are involved, that kind of thing. And you then move from there into any criticality. So if there's no description, there's no criticality, as in there's nothing to comment on, so you need a description. The problem occurs when you are too descriptive and you're not critical enough or at all. So, a few differences between descriptive writing and critical writing. So, descriptive writing will say explain theories, but critical writing will demonstrate why the theory is relevant, why is an important word in critical writing. Also, descriptive writing can explain how something works, but critical writing will explain why it works a certain way and the effect of this. Descriptive writing would give details, as I just said, but critical writing would then evaluate the significance of the details. Are some details more important than others, for example? And if so, what difference does this make? Another thing, descriptive writing can state the order in which things happen, like a process, a way of doing things, a way of designing things, that kind of thing. But critical writing will make judgments on why things happened in this way and not another way. And also, if things did happen a different way, would this make any difference? Could the process be improved, for example? And also, don't forget that descriptive writing presents views, but critical writing explains the relevance of the views and evaluates the strengths and weaknesses. So if you're someone who just writes, source A said this, whereas source B said that, and nothing else, you're just writing descriptively. So just listing ideas from sources is just descriptive writing. It only becomes critical when you explain the relevance of the views and evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of them. Okay? One final way to think about it is like this. Descriptive writing is all the information that anyone can find out by themselves. I can find it, you can find it, your teacher can find it. But criticality, critical thinking, the only person who can find that is you, because it comes from you. It comes from your evaluation, weighing up of the evidence that you've written about. Okay? So teachers, they already know about your subject, but they don't know what you think, and they want to know which ideas you think are important and why. And the way to do this is through critical writing. Okay? Look out for more podcasts on critical writing coming soon. Thanks for listening.